This motor might be lightweight, but it packs a heavy performance. It weighs next to nothing. A small child could hold this motor up and install it. Its whole key conception is portability, consistency, ease of use, and peace of mind, knowing it'll always work no matter what the condition is. This is the eLite from ePropulsion, a 24-volt, 1.5 horsepower motor equivalent, made primarily to put behind small boats and dinghies, inflatables. That's where it shines. Unlike trolling motors, this motor needs no additional battery. The 24-volt system is hidden in the blade shaft itself. With efficient throttling, the eLite can last for hours, and the range can even be extended further with its own solar charger, made to be aerodynamic and have almost no drag. Unlike trolling motors, this motor was meant to actually propel, not troll, making it much more efficient at lower throttle levels, with the boat achieving 80% of its max speed at only 50 to 60% of the throttle, depending on weather conditions. If you have a small inflatable or dinghy, this is the perfect motor for it. It's the one you've always been waiting for. Charge it, use it, and tuck it away for months, and then come back, charge it, and use it again. It is that reliable, that portable, and that consistent. Check these out at our one-stop shop for ePropulsion anywhere at TBNation.net and search eLite.